In this video, we will show you how to set up and customize waiting lists at your club. To start, click on the administrative cogwheel in the top right corner of your screen. From here, find the Modules tab in the settings and click on Activities. From Activities, we can find a cogwheel on the right side of the screen, which is for your general activity settings. Let's click on it. From here, our relevant section is under Sign Up. Within the sign up settings, we have the option for waiting list, which is initially turned off, so we need to turn it on by clicking on the button. Once the button is turned on, we now have to accept how someone will be added to the event. There's three options for this. The first, automatically when a spot opens, the first person from the list will be given a free spot when one happens from the activity. The second, when accepting a sign up, happens that an invite will be sent out to one person at a time, or all at once, where everybody will receive an invite and the first to accept will be taken. We recommend choosing when to accept sign up for the larger customization options that you have. Next, you have to select the prioritization of how waiting list invites will be sent out, either by order of how they joined the waiting list, or invites will be sent all at once. If you choose by order, you now have to choose the interval of time in which an invite will be sent out from one person to the next. As standard, it's 30 minutes, but you can choose either the time as well as minutes or days. Once you're happy with your settings, click the green button called Save Changes, and it will save your changes. Now, as standard, all activities in your club will have a waiting list. This can be changed, however, by clicking on the three dots icon next to the activity you wish to edit and clicking the Edit button. From here, find your sign up settings under Edit Activity. Here we can see as standard, a waiting list is turned on. This can be changed by clicking Turn Off. Once you're happy with your selection, click Update Activity, where you have the choice to update only this activity, only future activities, or all activities. For this example, we'll select only this activity.